It's here! Good morning. For my morning routine, some things I highly recommend is getting yourself these wrist protectors. They just sit here so when you wash your face, no water can leak through, and it's just been a lifesaver. And also it comes with a matching headband too. So I got gifted from Truly Beauty. They gave me a bunch of their goodies. Glazed donut is my absolute favorite scent. It smells so good, and lately I've been using this every single day. Today we're going to use these two. Upstairs in my room now. These are just other packages. As you can see, this is just like the PR corner. But let's open this and see what we got. So I won't be filming today. I just wanted to show you a couple things I got. Because I am filming several videos for Temu, I do have to plan out all my content. So right now it's about 11 a.m. I do have to run some errands before we go apartment hunting, so we're gonna do a quick work session just to plan out my content for the week, and then we're gonna get ready to head out. This is what we're gonna go for. Just really casual. This bag, I got it from Uniqlo. It fits all of my essentials, and it's pink and just sits really nicely. These pants are from Vietnam. I got them for like $8 Canadian. This is one of the tops from the contour line at Aritzia. I think it's a great basic. I don't really shop at Aritzia, but I love this shirt because it just fits so nicely, shapes you so nicely, makes you look super flattering, and it's comfortable. You can wear it every day and just to run your errands.
Đầy đủ hả? Đầy đủ hả?